This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Settings, open Connections or Network right away and tap SIM Card Manager. Once there, select the specific SIM slot you want to rename. This exposes the name field. You do this because the system stores two labels, one for display and one for carrier mapping. Renaming only changes how you see it. Make sure the SIM is active and recognized before editing. If it's a dual SIM phone, pick the correct slot so you don't rename the other one by mistake. Now tap the name or label field and the keyboard will appear. Type the new SIM name you want. You choose a short, recognizable label because long names truncate in quick settings and call screens. Aim for 1 or 2 words. Once you type it, press Save or Done. The phone writes the new label to system settings immediately. If you have carrier-specific apps, make sure the label change won't confuse automated routing. Most modern phones only change the display label, not network behavior. Finish by returning to the home screen and pulling down Quick Settings to confirm the new SIM label appears. Then, make a quick test. Place a call or send a text using that SIM to ensure the phone references the renamed label correctly. If the label does not update immediately, toggle airplane mode or reboot the device. This forces the system to reload SIM metadata. If problems persist, check for carrier lock or system updates, because those can sometimes prevent local label changes from sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.